If you're looking for an excellent way to present your information, we've collected the best professional business card designs for Photoshop just for you. You can choose from hypnotic patterns, minimalist designs, or even an illustration of a cassette tape. Stay with us to find the best option for your project in our list of the 10 best Photoshop business card templates. Number 10. Business Card by UWEZ. This business card is an easy and elegant way for people to remember you. One side displays your logo in a solid color, and in contrast, the other side displays your information in various positions, using the available space to accommodate all of your data. Number 9. Business Card by Experium. Use this business card design's dynamic shapes to present your information in a clean, modern format. It includes your phone number, email address, location, and website icons. Oh, and dress up because it has a placeholder for your own photograph. Number 8. Business Card by Last40. This professional business card clearly states your priorities. The front side uses a dark background with white text and a blue logo to create an elegant contrast, while the back side has a white background that is perfectly organized so customers have all your information laid out for them. Clear and concise. Number 7. Business Card by FDR Studio. This simple business card has everything you need to make an excellent first impression. It comes in horizontal and vertical formats, with the logo surrounded by an illustrated pattern that adds an artistic touch. Number 6. Business Card by Last40. This Photoshop business card design is ideal if you prefer something more minimalistic and elegant. The back has a white background with neatly organized text, while the front has a rectangular, solid color placeholder for you to insert an image that best represents your business. All the items included on this list are available from Envato Elements, a subscription-based library that gives you access to millions of assets like stock video, royalty-free music, transition packs, and everything in between to take your projects to the highest level. Find the link in the description below. Number 5. Business Card Template by Holograph Studio. One of my favorite graphic design trends is circular patterns, and Holograph Studio uses it quite well in this visiting card. The use of black and white patterns creates a hypnotic effect, and the solid black placeholders make the design look sleek, clean, and professional. You can also use a QR code on the card to direct them to a digital business card. Use the same template, render it in PNG, and you're good to go. Number 4. Business Card by Curve Design. A professional and trustworthy business requires a design that reflects that, and this business card does the trick. It has curved lines that gives it a dynamic and energetic feel, and a bright color palette contrasting with black and white elements to catch the attention of your customers. Number 3. Business Card Template by Websroad. Websroad created a business card design in Photoshop that's friendly, cheerful, and creative. It features placeholders to insert photos to represent your services and bright icons that are sure to highlight your information effectively. Number 2. Identity Business Card Design by Peakstar. Elegant, minimalist, and clean. With a fingerprint and identity-oriented design, this business card stands out for its simplicity. It will display your information without distractions, with a professional, sleek, and corporate appearance. Number 1. Cassette Business Card Template by 816 Studios. Turn up the volume and present your information in a creative, fun, and retro way with this cassette-style template. Your information works in seamlessly with the design, displaying your text within the parameters of the nostalgic cassette shape. We've come to the end of our list with the best business card illustrations. Let us know in the comments which one was your favorite. Don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Want more content from Envato? Click on the thumbnail shown on your screen. The video has been selected just for you. See you next time!